Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. Welcome to today's class, Igbo lesson. Today we are going to look into the words that start with Chi. In Igbo alphabet, Igbo Abidi, we have A, B, Chi. So we are at Chi. We are going to look at the words that start with Chi, and as usual we are going to do it together. If you have not subscribed to our station, we appeal to you to please do so today. Like and share. Let us go. The first on the list, we have Cha. 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 Cha is simply clear of road. Cha, clear of road. We have chair. Chair is think. We have choba. Choba is pursue, chase after, pursue. We have chupo. Chupo is send away. We have choba. Choba simply means look for. We have cheba. Cheba is about to lead, to govern. Chiba, that's number 7. Chiba is send inside. Send inside, send in. We have chopota. Chopota is find out. We have chutuo. Chutuo is demote. Demote, to bring down. We have chiri. Chiri simply means take, collect. Number 11, we have chata. If used in a sentence, you can say chata lamnya, cut it for me. Chata is cut it. Chere is wait. Number 13 says chipota. Chipota is bring out. Chikota may come in different contexts. It could be put together. It could be round off. Put together, round off. That is chikota. Chika is God is greatest. Chukwu is the Almighty God. That is the name for our God in Igbo. Chute in number 17 is fetch. Chota in number 18 says find. Chekwube Chekwube. Chekwube is hope. Chekwube is hope. Chekwube na Chukwu, hope in God. Chekwa. Chekwa. Chekwa in number 20 says it means protect. Some of these words could come in different contexts that will give you different meanings. It depends also on the dialect of these different towns and societies in Igbo land. Some of them can come when you are making a sentence to mean some other thing, even though they may have the same spelling. Sometimes it could be the same spelling, but different pronunciation. The pronunciation will make you know in which context you are going to use them and where each one fit in. As we move on our routine time, you will always know and come across all the different ones. When we start making sentences, you will be meeting all these in different examples, meeting different pronunciations, meeting different meanings of the same spellings in different sentences. Thank you. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Subscribe in order to always see and know whenever we post a new video. Thank you and goodbye.